Hello and welcome to my channel, where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So we have a new year, new month, new week, everything is new, new trades, new traders, and we need to prepare for the new year. It can look very different from past few months. It can look very different from the Christmas period as well. So better get ready and don't have any biases. Prepare for fresh trading for this year. So let's do analysis like I always do. Start with monthly chart because we have a monthly open. Last month close, strong close. Expect the high to be taken. It was taken. And if this turns red, we can expect a large move down, similar to this candle and this candle, which had basically a few months of reversal of downtrend. So far there is nothing to be scared about. I'm just thinking that this is possibly the high for the next few months. This could be, at least on the chart it looks good, so be careful with that. Weekly the high was taken, which I was expecting to be taken, and if this week turns red, same story, it's a good high, it can have a large move down, even to below 30k. So we need to be careful about that. Do we expect higher from this? There's no decision to make until we turn the month red or turn the week red on these high time frame charts. For now, it could still keep going higher, but it is leaving a nice wick already. So possibly reversing. So we have this chart now on daily chart. We had the range broke out, we close above, and now it's trying to get back inside. Closest support is 38k, and if this is a fake out, we could easily get a move down to the range lows, take the lows, and flush down to the support. So far daily chart looks like it's reversing. We left a wick. After yesterday's strong close, do we expect the high to be taken? Ideally, I would like the high to be taken, but if we do a failed auction, like if we are back inside the box, I don't look for the high to be taken anymore. Inside the box, for me it's good enough. That means that we have potentially getting acceptance back in the range. Can we look for something like backtest, like right now, right here? Possibly. But we will know in a few hours. We'll need to check the CVD how it's doing, and I'm not looking to long this. Could be bouncing, but for me this is a failed auction region, which a potential drop of 10% and then 15, in total 15%, and for a few months correction that's not even enough. We would need like 25, which would take us to 34,400. This is a very nice last support basically on this chart. How would it look like? We go down, anyway we go down, it doesn't really matter. We will try to bounce from here, we will try to bounce from this support. We'll, like, if we flush straight here, I would expect a bounce back to 40 straight away, but then down again. We have few months of downtrend if we lose this range, and at the lows it will be hard to catch the bottom, but we will do some kind of bottom formation, and I will assume that we bounce from here even if we go lower, because there will be a lot of panic, a lot of noise. Even on medium time frames there will be noise. Okay, sorry about this mess. I still had not cleaned up my chart after the holidays. So we had downtrending consolidation, which we expect to be cleared. It was cleared. Lower highs you have stops building very easy shorts for people, and the market maker makes it easy for them. You put a stop here, stop here, stop here, stop here, then you see that you have a massive line of stops in one place. Some people who use less leverage, they put a stop above the highs, and we cleared those as well. We have a nice W formation for this failed auction. So I'm not eager to long anything. No backtest for me. Where is the next best place to long? POC here. And I don't expect just one touch and fly, but we could get a V shape from this. And we are actually tapping into this high volume region already. We'll see what happens here. This is very interesting place for me. If we lose this support, then okay, this is clearly failed auction. We go much lower. Lowest support will be around 42,200, I think. 42,500, but like if we go to these lows, we can still keep kind of bull market action on here. So let me see, where is the monthly open? Where is the previous month open? This is session point of control. Do I have this? Okay. Now it's kind of important to see if we turn the month red. The month turns red, the week turns red, and then it gets nasty. Yes, 42,300. So we kind of in bull market until we lose monthly open. So no panic. Oh, we actually smashed this already. Wow. So maybe I need to take some long. Yeah, so I don't want to go against the momentum. It's failed auction. We can go much lower, and I will just see if we make a bottom here, kind of. Let's just go to Atas to see what's happening. First of all, profiles. Value area high here. Point of control, naked point of control 42,700. How do we clear this? Okay. I had some sort of swing wick here, swing low. Okay, so if we kind of do a consolidation back up, but it's like kind of sideways, slightly up, uptrend consolidation, then I would expect another drop, because this is like a bear flag. If you want bullish action, this should be bouncing, not just straight down. So kind of price action is bearish now. Okay, let's see order flow. Why was this a good short today? I will show you. We did a swing failure of some local highs, this one and this one, and the price started falling and CVD was flat. That means there was no more support. Limit supports are gone, they were removed. Like when we started going down here, you see support. Where is the support on the way down here? No support. So when the CVD starts going down, this is too late to short, because it can be recovered easily, like from where it started, from right here, 45,300 more or less. This can easily be recovered. So for you, it's too late to short. Now, again, this is FOMO short. It's too late. Sometimes it works out, but I am with the guys who sit with limit orders and support. I don't short support. All this, and support is not just one level. All this is support, because I see that there is only selling happening. And when there is selling happening, I can only buy. I can only look for places to buy. Yeah, so for me, it's either wait for some bottom for long, and definitely not short. If we start going up, like we test the weave up or something like that, with some kind of uptrending consolidation, which is bear flag, then I will look to short. Maybe consolidation here, swing failure the high. Yeah, so there's not much to see here anymore. Wait, let me check another thing. Point of control backtest would be nice. Other than that, there is nothing here. Monthly, previous month point of control 43,700. This is same as range point of control. Losing this is very bad, but I would consider this as noise as long as we bounce from 42,200. I don't become very bearish, because that's the monthly open, and monthly open is like the line in the sand. If you turn this month candle red, it's kind of failed auction confirmed. Weekend month, yeah, the high looks good. The high actually looks good now. We could be dropping quite a lot. I just cannot look for shorts while the price is going down. If we do some consolidation up, then I will look for shorts. For now we are on support, trying to lose the support. Okay. Some backtesting this maybe, but no, losing this point of control. I will show you another thing. This is wall range point of control, and it's massive. Yeah, so this is massive support, and we are kind of losing it now. I'm lagging a bit. There's a lot of volume on Atas probably. My PC cannot handle it. Okay, so if we do some kind of bottom formation, it's gonna be very easy to get to this point. And if we kind of cannot make above, we short. And it's still going. And I didn't take the short. Yeah, that's so much money lost. 5% just straight down, and it could be more. Whoa. So okay, so we tap the monthly open, which is a yearly open, which is a weekly open as well. So we're backtesting this. Okay, so if we're very bullish, we're gonna do a V-shape, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think we just try to bounce, like now we try to bounce. We'll go lower, then form a bottom. If we have bullish absorption, actually we should be longing monthly open. Probably. Or just look for much lower. 38k. Okay, so how does it look like locally? Yeah, so there is not gonna be a good long now. Because if we bounce like this, it can still go all the way down. Sharp moves are indicating ranges. So what does it mean? We do a sharp move down, it's gonna range back up at some point. It should be like most likely every time range is more likely than continuation. So sharp move. But what does it mean that we have a range? We probably don't expect new highs anymore. So we are looking for shorts around this region or backtest of the point of control that we lost. Right here. If we cannot get above, it's easy short. First take profit the lows, then 40k and then 38k.